Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Mech 5 robot is probably one of the most engaging and educational robotics kits available today, offering a fun and interactive way to learn about coding, engineering, and robotics principles through hands-on building and programming experiences, making it perfect for both kids and adults who are curious about the world of STEM and want to explore the fascinating field of robotics in a practical and enjoyable manner. Number 5. Mech 5 Coding Robot. Meet Mech 5, the amazing mechanical coding robot designed to spark creativity and learning. It's the perfect way for young engineers to explore the exciting worlds of mechanics and coding. It's all about hands-on learning with Mech 5. Each mission challenges you to build, code, and watch it perform amazing feats. It's fun and educational. This incredible robot can throw, lift, kick, and even draw. It's all controlled by snapping coding buttons onto the coding wheel. The possibilities are endless. Coding is made easy with Mech 5's intuitive coding wheel. Simply snap on the buttons and watch it move. It's a great introduction to the world of programming. It's time to unleash your inner engineer. Build it, code it, and watch it move. Mech 5 is perfect for budding engineers aged 10 and up. Learn by doing. Mech 5 makes learning fun and engaging. It's the perfect blend of hands-on building and exciting coding challenges. Get ready to explore the world of STEM. What we like. It's a unique robot that teaches mechanical engineering and coding through fun missions. If you are looking for a hands-on STEM toy to inspire a future engineer, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for kids who enjoy building and problem-solving, making learning an engaging adventure. What people say. Good things come to those who wait. Bought this for my son, 10, who is noted for his meticulous nature. He had no trouble assembling it in various forms, without adult assistance. The programming aspect is simple but fun. This is a very good robot. Not an ordinary STEM project, it makes your child work, think, spend time and effort. Number 4. STEM Robot Building Blocks. It comes with hundreds of colorful blocks and cool stickers. This toy helps kids develop hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills while having a blast building. It's an ideal present for birthdays or holidays. Kids will love exploring its many features and possibilities. Control it with the app, or remote, or even your voice. There are 4 different control modes to make playing even more fun. The step-by-step instructions are clear and easy to understand, making building a breeze. Each step is clearly marked for simple assembly. It's made from high-quality, non-toxic ABS plastic. The smooth edges and durable design ensure safe and long-lasting play. What we like. This one boasts tons of building blocks and multiple control options for versatile play. If you want a fun and educational building experience with lots of features, this is for you. It's great for kids who love to build and explore different ways to play with their toys. What people say. I purchased it as a gift for a 12-year-old who has desires of becoming an engineer. Loves Lego and quickly completes building sets in very short order. But this he finds challenging and requires thought, concentration and patience. Excellent challenge with more than 500 parts. We got this for my nephew for Christmas and he just brought it over and worked on it all day. Pretty fast and makes lots of robot noises. My son built it in a day with my adult help. He is so excited about how it turned out. Number 3. OKK Robot Building Toy. It's more than just a building toy, it's an educational tool that helps kids develop hands-on skills and creativity. It boosts their mental health, widens their imagination, and enhances their problem-solving abilities. This robot toy can be controlled remotely or via a smartphone app. It offers multiple control modes, including voice control and path planning, making it fun and engaging for kids. Build, code, and play. It uses snap-together parts and servo motors, making it perfect for kids interested in engineering and creativity. It's a great gift for any occasion. It features a USB rechargeable battery, providing up to an hour of playtime on a 2-hour charge. The remote control has a wide range and allows for full 360-degree movement. This kit includes 635 building blocks and a picture guide to help children build it step by step. Get ready for hours of fun with friends and family. What we like. It offers a comprehensive building experience with lots of pieces and both app and remote control. If you want a feature-rich robot that combines building and coding, this is a solid option. It's perfect for kids who enjoy both creative building and technological interaction. What people say. The directions are detailed and simple enough for a child and parent to follow without getting frustrated. The remote is easy to use and the robot can go on our carpet and hard floors. The remote controls the robot's movements forward, backward, and to the right and left. It also can move the robot's head to each side. With 635 pieces, this kit provides a comprehensive building challenge that keeps children engaged for hours. The step-by-step picture guide is clear and helpful, making the assembly process enjoyable and educational. Number 2. 2-in-1 Robot Building Kit. This amazing 901-piece building kit lets your child build either a robot or a race car. It's a fun and imaginative way to explore engineering and design. It can be controlled with a wireless remote or a smartphone app. The app offers 4 different modes for even more fun. This interactive toy teaches coding concepts and encourages exploration in STEM fields. It improves hand-eye coordination and problem-solving skills. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Kids aged 8 to 14 will love it. Made from premium, non-toxic ABS plastic, it meets safety standards. The pieces are easy to connect and durable for long-lasting play. What we like. This versatile kit lets you build either a robot or a race car, offering double the fun. If you're looking for a large building set with multiple possibilities, this is a great choice. It's ideal for kids who love to build and enjoy the challenge of transforming their creations. What people say. All pieces are LEGO compatible, exactly the same pieces as the Technic sets, so no matter what, the toy will always be recyclable into another LEGO incarnation. Rechargeable battery pack is nice. When my son gets tired of the robot, he can build the car. My son loves LEGO and oftentimes no matter the set he isn't getting a challenge. This set, though it's not LEGO, provided him the challenge he needed and he got exciting results. He had a robot that he could move around. Number 1. Matatalab TaleBot Pro. It's a coding robot that lets kids play on an interactive map. It gives instant voice feedback, making learning fun and creative. They'll learn new skills and explore exciting stories. It's also a storytelling toy. Kids can record their voices and create imaginative tales that come to life on the map. This fosters creativity and improves storytelling skills. It's screen-free and simple to use. Children can press buttons to make it walk, draw, sing, dance, and even record their own commands. It teaches coding concepts like sequences and loops. It's compatible with LEGO blocks, opening up even more creative building opportunities. It's available in 10 different languages, making it accessible to children worldwide. The kit includes the robot, an interactive map, a challenge booklet, and washable markers. Activity boxes are recommended for extra learning materials. It's a perfect gift for any occasion. What we like. It's a screen-free coding robot that incorporates storytelling for a unique learning experience. If you are looking for an engaging and educational toy for younger children that promotes creativity and early coding skills, this is it. It's perfect for preschoolers who are ready to explore the world of coding in a fun and interactive way. What people say. This little robot is really cool. It says it is a coding robot, but it seems more geared towards teaching kids how to solve problems in a logical way. Nonetheless, it took me hours to understand all that it does, so I think it is the perfect toy to keep a child busy and away from the TV. And it is a great start towards the STEM world. Lastly, the design and add-ons are so well made, and the attention to details did not go unnoticed. This is a great concept and brain-building toy that our kids had fun with. Bend was actually a learning tools for myself as well. Toy is made of quality materials and durable. The size is just right for toddlers. Great functionality and value. Fun little robot for my 5-year-old to figure out. I let her learn about it from opening the box and doing everything herself. It has a random dance mode that we all enjoy watching because it is so cute. So far it seems durable. The story mats are well designed and durable too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.